Yo, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to do these amazing fajitas. They're going to be ready in about 15 to 20 minutes. First thing we're going to do, we just have some chopped up onions, peppers, yellow, green, and red. We're going to get them down on the griddle top. Leave the heat set to medium high here. Let them sit a minute. This is a Fajita Seasoning blend we made. Stick around to the end. It's got a secret ingredient in it. I'll reveal what it is. So we're gonna get a couple good pinches on there. We're just gonna fold in that seasoning blend, all these veggies. Let it go, just keep tossing them around. Like I said, I just got home from work. This should be a quick, simple dinner. It's going to be delicious. And you can do this right on the stove. You can cook these in the cast iron. I just have that cast iron warming up over there. We're going to set these in a little bit. And I found these veggies already chopped at the supermarket. So I like keeping them in my fridge for something like this. Get home from work late, cook them down real quick, and it just makes life a lot easier. I just want to take a minute and thank everyone who's been watching these videos. If you like them, please like and subscribe to the channel. There's some onions and peppers, and check that out. Got a nice little family of deer over there. We've been watching them fawns grow up all summer. Kelsey's just dying to get over there and play with them. So back to the cook here. We're just gonna keep tossing everything around. We're gonna hit it with a little bit more of that seasoning. And these are just about ready to get set to the side of the cast iron. It's nice and warm now. So I'm going to shut them two burners off and just let the residual heat carry over and keep these veggies warm. And that's what's great about these Blackstones. Just cook it outside. Real easy to clean up. You don't have to heat your house up. So there we go. We got everything in the cast iron. We're going to give it a couple little scrapes, clean it up. Come down with a little bit more oil. I'm using avocado oil here. Right here, we got some flank steak. We just chopped up into strips. You can use skirt steak here. Use whatever you got. Let that go for a couple seconds. You know we're going to hit it with some more of that seasoning. Now, I'm not sure what the difference is between taco seasoning and fajita seasoning, but to me it seems like the fajita seasoning got a little bit more of the cumin in it. I'm not sure, but this has the chili powder, the cumin, some smoked paprika. I'll leave the full recipe for it down in the comments here. Just gonna hit it with a little bit more. Keep tossing everything around. Make sure that meat gets cooked. And here, I'm gonna squeeze half a lime on here right now. And this is gonna go a long way. That acid in the lime, it's gonna really help this out. Here we go. It's starting to smell good. I'm going to come in the other half now. And we're just about done. Should move this over to the cast iron now. We're going to let that rest in there for a few minutes. That's what everything's looking like. Smells delicious. Get a little bit more oil down just so we could toast up some of these tortilla shells. I just got the pre-made flour ones. Should throw them down. Get them a little bit toasted, nice and warm. There's only one thing left to do after that. Gotta eat. So here you see it toasted up real nice. Let me show you how we're gonna build these today. We're gonna come down with a little guacamole first. If you don't like guacamole, you know you can leave it out. I'm just gonna dig right in with my bare hands here because it's just me eating. Get some of that steak down. Dig right in, get some peppers, onions. Come in with a little bit of that shredded Mexican cheese. Some fresh pico. I like sour cream on mine. So there we go. That's what she's looking like. Man, that's good. That secret ingredient in the spice, that cinnamon, gives it a very nuanced flavor, unique flavor. Gives it like a depth of warmth in there. As always, thanks for watching.